Bati. Karan mar bad migao mar doho an Amadi oyango ni mana okinde ang'wen kende madhi yienegi yalo e lo kweth ka kweth manie bura mag yiero mar jatend piny Kenya. Amadi owacho ni nyaka sani ikruok ni kare ne chenrono kendo odiechieng' makiny romo makende idhi bagi e doho mar keto weche kare ne chakruok mar burano.
All the filings have been done, and tomorrow we are expecting the pre-trial session right here at the ceremonial hall. Remember, the last two petitions have been done at the Supreme Court, but the space there is so restricted, is so limited. We saw that the parties have large teams, but the numbers will have to be restricted because the space cannot accommodate everybody. Judges from the Commonwealth countries, led by the retired Chief Justice of Tanzania, Honorable Mohamed Othman, among other judges who will be joining us. All the 7 judges are expected to participate.